Hello again viewers, today we're at the Hotel Palmasol in Benalmadena, Costa del Sol, Spain, and just showing you my room. So basically it's the standard double room, everything you need really. Nice wee balcony, wee side view of the pool, I'll show you that in a wee second. So we've got a wee desk there, which is good if you've got a laptop, you want to do some work. We've got a wee fridge down there as well, that's always a bonus, having a fridge in your room, in a hotel room. Not all of them have got that as well. Obviously TV as well. And I'm not sure if that's a wee sofa bed, if it pulls out, or it's just there. Don't think so. Looks comfy anyway to sit on. Let's check out the view outside. Yeah, quite decent. We've got the swimming pool, which they say is heated. I'm just going to quickly check it to see if it is heated. This is the last day of the season, so basically October 31st is the last day, so this is shutting down in November. I don't know when it reopens, or maybe it reopens April, May. Nice looking pool, not too busy today because it's quite windy. And then down here we've got a kind of restaurant, there's a table tennis down there. There's a lot of families, it looks like a good family hotel. I paid £45 for this for the night through booking.com, and it was a mobile only genius discount price. So basically what that means is you just sign in to booking.com on your mobile phone, book a couple of hotels, they give you different levels of discount. Sometimes you get 10% off. So with everybody else this was over £50 a night, and I managed to get it for 45. I think for this room it's not bad, £45. You may get it cheaper at certain times of the year, it might be a lot more expensive at other times. Plenty of storage space, they've got a wee safe as well. Quickly show you the bathroom. The bathroom's absolutely fine as well, to be honest. So the bathroom, absolutely fine. Shower in there to the side as well. Everything you need. Reasonably modern actually, the bathroom. I think some of these rooms have been done up. So it's only really a 3-star hotel, but I've not checked the food out or anything. That'll be a decision to make whether it's 3 or 4-star quality, but regarding the room I've got no complaints whatsoever for what I paid for it, to be honest with you. Especially if there's 2 of you here and you're paying £45 for this. Seems quite nice. It's very nice and airy, the room, so I know it's not going to be too hot to sleep in or anything, it's going to be fine. Let me know what you think in the comments if you stayed here before. It's pretty nice. If you're new to the channel, welcome, thanks so much for watching. My name's Kevin, I do a lot of videos, walking mainly, around various places including Tenerife and Spain. Maybe some other places coming soon. Give it a wee thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you've hated it. And if you're new to the channel, just click the wee red button below that says subscribe, it's absolutely free. Click the wee bell for notifications, you'll get a wee message when I upload new videos on YouTube. But I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this wee video. And let me know, do you like the wee hotel reviews? I know they're very short, they don't last very long. But this hotel, first impressions, quite like it. Sit out here and have a wee beer. Probably gets the sun earlier on, looks as if the sun's away, but nice views as well up to the house. We'll see what it's like when I sleep in it tonight, but I think it's going to be absolutely fine. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.